Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to record WhatsApp calls in mobile. Now let's begin. The first thing we need to do is open our WhatsApp application to get this ready. After that, go to Play Store and search for an app called App Call Recorder. Download it. You need to open the app and make sure to enable the app for phone calls and recording. You just need to follow the system. After that, we're now ready to record. Call on anyone you want and it will automatically record the call. After you've ended it, you can go to the app call recorder and you will see the list of the recordings. And that's how to record WhatsApp calls in mobile phone. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.